Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete this page last update time in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to hide this page last update feature from. This is my website. So go to this settings, and this settings page window pops up. Jump to the viewers tools. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And this settings page window pops up. Jump to the viewers tools, and below info section and next to show page last updated time, disable this option just like this. Close the window and don't forget to publish this change. And now let's view my website again. As you see, there is no more last or page last update info here. It only shows report abuse and Google Sites. And this is how to delete or hide the page last update time in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.